Hey guys, today's video is going to be my August Boxycharm unboxing. It's August. It's August. August. What? This month's theme is Go All Out. Go all out. First thing in the box is from Frank Body. These are booty drops. Booty drops. They are booty drops firming body oil. Drop it like you're hot. Booty Drops is a firming body oil to help soothe you over. Each drop is packed with caffeine to firm, guarana to energize, carrot root extract to hydrate, plus grapeseed and jojoba oils to soften skin, and get you glowing. Drop it straight onto your booty for a soft and firm skin, or mix it with your moisturizer for extra perks. Pop, lock, and booty drop, it says. For best results, use daily before twerking. Oh, this is perfect for me. Boxycharm, how'd you know? How'd you know? How'd you know? Drop it like you're hot. That's funny. It's very gimmicky. I wonder if it actually does anything. By the way, this retails for $17.95. So not bad. Not a bad price. Next thing in the box is from Claras NY. This is the Stimulating Retinol Facial Serum. A 96% blend of retinol and vitamin E oils intensively stimulates and moisturizes quenched skin. You know, retinol, yeah. Retails for $24.99. It's a retinol serum. Obnoxious today. It's the end of the day. I'm ready for ice cream in bed. Okay. Natural, 96%. Okay, use daily for brighter and younger looking skin. I always feel like skincare products are so just like gimmicky. They're always like, oh, youthful, glowing, da da da. Like, I don't know. I've just yet to find like skincare products where I'm just like, yes, they work. You know, maybe that's my issue. All right, next thing in the box is from Kadar. This is the Hydration Happy Face Mist. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrating base before makeup application. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take on the rest of the day. Retails for $19. Okay. It's really pretty. The packaging, very pretty. And the stuff smells so good. Do you have to just use it before? Because I feel like I would want to use it like right now. It smells really, really good. Like, I don't know what it smells like. It just smells really good. I don't know what it smells like. It just smells really good. I already said that. I don't know, but I like this stuff. I want to use it like after makeup too. We gotta dry off though. Okay, next thing in the box is from Lava Beauty. This is the Flirty Lash Set. Retails for $54. Okay. It includes a best-selling 3D Mink Flirty Lash, a clear and latex-free brush-on eyelash adhesive, and gold applicator. Gold. Is it real gold? Is it real gold? The lashes look nice. The band looks too thick for my liking, but I'll definitely try it out. I mean, $54, like, when I can pay $8.88 for 5 pairs of lashes at Walmart, and then I can pay like $3 for the glue, and then my hands are free. My hands are free. I use my hands to apply lashes, not a friggin' gold thing, which I can't even get out. I mean, it's like metal, but there's no way that's real gold. But yeah, I don't use this to apply lashes. I just use my hands. So yeah, that's what this is. What is this? This little scroll here on how to apply lashes. So yeah, like I said, that band is super thick. I don't like thick bands, so I'll try it out though. I'll try it out. The last thing in the box is from Laura Geller. This is the Casual Collection Multi-Finish Eyeshadow Palette. 12 Shades, Endless Ways. Yeah, it's an eyeshadow palette. Okay, retails for $45. Let's check it out. I really, really like these colors. Yes. Ooh, yes. I am really excited about this. These all look the same in the camera, but I promise in real life they're not. This is like a greenish. Oh yeah, these are not the same at all. Oh no, actually you can see it better from back here. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my August Boxycharm. I'm super excited for this palette. My battery's dying, my battery's dying. The lash set, I mean, I got my lashes that I like and they're cheap and they work, so I'll try them out. I really don't think I'm gonna like them though. What else? This retinol serum, you know, we'll try it out. Maybe, yeah, I don't know. The booty drops, we're gonna try out the booty drops. I'll report back to you guys. It says caffeine, a butt forklift. I will definitely try these out. And then this, I really like this. It really, like my face is definitely glowing right now. Or maybe it's just because it's freaking 90 degrees out. No, I feel like it's glowing. I'm glowing, right? I'm glowing, totally glowing. And it smells really good. So yeah, I'm excited for this. Yeah, that was everything that was in the box. So overall, this is a really good box. Like really good. That is everything for my August Boxycharm. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.